Yeah, on this video we're going to be talking about chord inversions. I already made a video on chord inversions. Check the link in the description below. If this video is not explanatory enough, you can check that. But people that sing, most especially them, would need chord inversion, because what you don't want while you're singing is jumping in your hands up and down, and you make a lot of mistakes. Since you want to focus on your voice, have enough focus on your voice while you're playing the piano, you don't need to jump around always. And inversions are also important to those that play, because it just makes the whole music more compact and fluid, instead of jumping up and down. That difference is too much, right? So the last time we played Mary Had a Little Lamb, we did Mary Had a Little Lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Right? Do so, right? But when we're using chord inversions, one thing I want you to learn to do is like to take away the middle finger. That's the third. Notice your do chord. Take away the third and just play 1 and 5. If you have a small hand, of course, this is what you're doing. The third, especially when you get to this place, it makes it too not nice and too noisy. But if you take the middle finger, it sounds better, right? The right hand already has this third, so that's it, it's here, so there's no need for it, right? Just my suggestion there. So this is how I'll advise you to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'd advise you to start with the second inversion of your do. So do used to be do, mi, so. So you take away this so and pick this so here. This is also so, do, mi, so. So because you brought it down here, this is no longer your do chord. It is called your do chord inversion. You've inverted it. No, you start with this inversion. Mary had a little lamb. This is so bring these two fingers down to T and Re. Little lamb. You see? A little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. It's da 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 da. See, all through the song you only move two fingers. That's called inversion. Do you understand? So let's play it again. Mary had a little lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. So that's what chord inversion is about. It's about limiting your movement. Instead of jumping from here to here, all I did was this. My finger opened, number 2 and number 5 opened, they came back down. Let me take these 2 away so you can see what I'm doing. So it was like this. Alright, Mary had, there came 2 of them came down, 2 of them went up, 2 of them came down. But that's basically chord inversion. This is your do second inversion. It's called second inversion for several reasons. The reason I choose to give it is because there are 2 notes here, and that's 2 notes second. Now this is the do first inversion. As you can see, there's 1 note to the right. That's my own reason. It's clearer that way. And this is the root chord position. It means root chord means there's no inversion. You get that. So keep practicing playing with that inversion. Mary had a little lamb. First inversion. You can also do that. Yeah, please subscribe, like this video if you like it, and see you in the next episode.